In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to start page numbering on a specific page in Microsoft Word. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Here in my Microsoft Word document, I have 10 pages. I want to start page number from this third page. Keep your cursor on top left corner and then click on Layout tab. Here you will find breaks. Click on the breaks and click on section break next page. Go to Insert tab and here you will find page number. Click on page number. You can assign page number on top of the page or bottom of the page. I am assigning page number top of the page and select the plain number 2, that means middle of the page, and it will be on header. The page number is added. Now I'm going to increase the number size so that you can understand. And look, the page number is added here 1 2 and again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Keep your cursor on the third page number, and then click on header and footer tab, and here you will find link to previous. Just deselect link to previous. Now you can delete page number from page 1 and 2. I'm deleting the page number from page 1 and 2. The page number is starting from page 3 and it will page number 1 and then 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the easiest way to start page numbering on a specific page in Microsoft Word. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.